our view this morning. We camped out on a beach alongside the redwoods. And so yeah, we listened to this all night and it was so nice. So we just left that spot, that little beach. But we are driving north and this is our favorite part of this whole entire drive. It looks so cool.
Hey, is your sweatshirt big enough? Or would you like a bigger one?
I don't like it.
Are you enjoying it?
10 out of 10. This might be the town. Battle Rock.
No.
This is cool, huh?
Yeah.
Look at that.
That'd make for some fun kayaking. Oh, my Lanta. Ah. Oh. Well, this is as far as we go, I'm afraid. Ooh. Ooh. Check it out. Oh, hey.
Hey. How was it?
It was pretty cool back there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Making this look harder than it is.
What's taking so long?
I want to break my face on a rock.
Yeah, just fall into the driftwood. Oh, there you go. We're at the Cape Blanco Lighthouse. It's the oldest and westmost operating lighthouse on the west coast. And we're walking there.
And it's foggy.
Well, actually, scratch that. It's not operating at all. It's actually closed for safety reasons.
Since 2020. COVID. Got it.
God bless it.
But, okay. I will say, the scenery around it is really pretty. You get to walk up this little path. So that
Little? Look at it. Little? Those guys left yesterday.
So in that regard, I recommend.
Oh, okay. You do recommend.
I do recommend.
All right. Come on, lady.
Okay.
Thanks a lot. Have a good day.
Got another pin.
Ooh, I like that one.
We still need the organ pin, but it's there.
Ooh.
There's 3 things that we never pass on in the van. A water spigot, a Planet Fitness, and a good lighthouse. So there's the last one of the day, I think.
We're gonna try to hit that other one tonight.
We have another one too?
Yeah.
All right, sweet.
Kev doesn't know the plans.
It's so hard to keep track.
There's a lot to do and see along the Oregon coast. Those tacos were so good.
Sometimes 2 just doesn't do it and you need 4.
We're into bridges right now.
Yeah, but I can't take drone footage at every bridge for you guys, so you'll just have to take it easy.
Take it easy, he says. What we're going through now is like old fisherman towns, and they're really quaint and cute.
I feel like I'm about to get recruited to go on a shark hunting expedition.
Yeah. So this lighthouse is supposedly haunted.
Yeah, the Hasita Head Lighthouse. It's said to be haunted by a woman named Rue, whose daughter died in an accident related to the lighthouse.
No, just an accident.
Oh, just an accident. I guess for some reason she returned to the lighthouse to haunt it. They say they've seen floating figures and things tend to fall off the shelves.
Like the fire alarms were going off and there wasn't a fire. But that happens all the time. Someone said they like saw a woman dressed in Victorian clothing floating up some stairs.
Floating up some stairs.
So maybe,
But who knows? Maybe it's true.
we recommend 10 out of 10 coming here because this hike alone is really pretty.
Alright, we woke up in a Ray's grocery store parking lot this morning because we parked there last night. We played a round of disc golf and realized that I left my whole toiletry bag in a Planet Fitness hours south of us yesterday. So the day can only get better, right?
We're gonna go disc golf. We'll put let's put a few holes in.
Oh, goodness.
And then we are going to finish driving up the coast.
What do you have to say for yourself?
I want to throw again.
Okay.
Right one so that I can find it.
I'd throw the Comet.
The Comet's hard to find though.
Okay.
I'm going hiking. Okay, we are at Cannon Beach. This is my all-time favorite town along the west coast. I've never been here. It has Haystack Rock where they filmed the Goonies. It's the Goonies Rock.
The Goonies Rock.
The Goonies Rock. Kev likes to wear his sneakers to the beach.
Go faster. That's the type of lighthouse where I want to work. Let's clear the heck out there.
I could see it. You kind of look like you'd work in a lighthouse.
Drop me off out there. I'll keep it going. Hi.
Do you love that? He said hi. See, friendly people, you really can't beat it.
What are you dogs doing, Kato? They love the ocean. Do you?
I do.
I like it. Yeah. I'm running over to Painted Rock Beach to do a little advertising. I think I have the perfect rock. Not my best work. Nice, Brandon. Oh, that's a really good one. Oh, yeah.